I would request representatives from Touristic India to join us on the stage. I would request representatives from Wonder Vacations to join us on the stage. I would request representatives from Yatra Leisure Holidays to join us on the stage. Thank you, Mr. Arya, Mr. Bansal, and Mr. Shaw. Now we welcome our sponsor, Mr. Abhishek Mittal from Tyra Hotels to showcase their products. Please welcome him with a big round of applause, everyone. I would like to welcome our another sponsor, Miss Susie from Seoul Monopole, to showcase their products. Welcome, Miss Susie. Yeah. Please give a big round of applause for her, everyone.
Hi, Namaste ji. My name is Suji Choi. I'm a South Korean national, married to Indian, and I've been in this industry for more than 25 years. And is my video coming? When I first came to India, it was 14 years ago, and my mother-in-law said, my TV is from Samsung, and my car is from Hyundai, and then AC is from LG, and daughter-in-law is from Korea. So nowadays, many booms coming from South Korea, coming to India, and then many Indians love the K-pop, K-food. So with this growing interest between two nations, I'm expecting to have more Korean nationals coming to India. I'm covering both outbound and inbound travel, also as well as Maldives. So I actually met my husband in Maldives, and I lived in Maldives for 17 years. So I'm a Maldives professional as well. I've been to almost all resorts and each hotel's rooms, and as well as on the water. I'm a diver also. So about Maldives, Sri Lanka, and India, so Korean coming, I'll be the one who you can contact me. And recently, actually, there was supposed to Seoul mayor coming to Delhi and Chennai, and I was the agent to handle him. So I need a lot of help from you, because for the inbound hotel, car, and professional. So about Korea, you can remember me, Suji Choi, and my contact is there. And I have an office in Las Vegas. You can come visit me anytime. Thank you. Video. Okay, it's all about my company. I have offices in Seoul, Korea, as well as Las Vegas, as well as Maldives. 3 offices in 3 countries. So inbound, outbound, about 3 nations. You can contact me, and I used to work for Korean Embassy in Sri Lanka as a consular assistant as well. I both have good connection with Koreans in India. Korean Association is there, Korean community is there. So any business you want to increase, you can contact me for Korean market. Going to Korea as well, and bringing Koreans to here. Also, you can help me for hotels and everything. Thank you.
Now I would request Mr. Subhash Goyal to join us on the stage for saying a few words about CAP Association. Please give a big round of applause everyone to welcome Mr. Goyal.
Well, thank you very much. Firstly, I must congratulate all the organizers because this association was very badly needed. Because there's no association of event organizers and planners and particularly professionals, you see, who are involved in this great industry because event management, weddings, MICE, it is more than a $3 trillion industry. And there's a lot of future for this. I must compliment the office bearers who are there. Rajesh Arya, President, Aman, Senior Vice President, Ms. Shashita, General Secretary, Purnam, Babita, Treasurer, Rajinder, my dear friends, and Sandeep, now Executive Director. Well, all of you are known faces and you've really contributed a lot in the industry. And you see, united we stand, divided we fall. So there are a lot of issues which are facing the event management industry and we need a lot of professionals in this industry. And I'm sure if your association can focus also on training and developing human resources, you see, in this $3 trillion industry, I think it'll be you'll be doing a great service not only to the industry but also to the nation. I'm sorry, I have to rush to a family wedding, and this commitment was there, so I said I must come and just give my best wishes and blessings to all of you. May God bless you with more and more success. And I'm there always 24/7. If you need anything, I'm there at your service. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now I would request Mr. Arya and Mr. Pranav Bansal to honor Mr. Subhash Goyal sir. I would request every office, to all the office bearer to join on the stage. Shishta ma'am, Pratibha ma'am, Babita ma'am, Hita ma'am, please join us on the stage. Everybody, please give a big round of applause.
आने वाला जो टाइम है वो कुछ ऐसा ही होगा जैसे भी आपने देखा सुभाष जी आगे खड़े हुए कोई बटन नहीं दबाना पड़ा, इनोवेट हो गया। दैट इज द टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट इज द एआई।
चलो, thank you very much. I wish I would stay along.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
बढ़िया से
I would request Mr. Rajesh Arya, President, Mr. Pranav Bansal, Ms. Geeta Maheshwari, Mr. Harjendra Singh, and to join us on the stage. Mr. Pranav Bansal, I would request you to please welcome the press members.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन मैं थोड़ा दिन में बहुत सारा नर्वस हूँ बट स्टिल आई एम वेरी होपफुल कि मैं अपना मैसेज अपनी GHP का मिशन विजन आप तक कम्युनिकेट कर पाऊँगा. On behalf of GHP, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you, the distinguished members of India's top travel media. It's an absolute honor to have you here on such a short notice. The media is often known as a fourth pillar of democracy. And for travel trade, I will say you guys are the first pillar of democracy, first pillar of tourism. When it comes to social media, you guys are very strong. You know, once you start putting up real social media for a particular destination, it actually helps us to sell it very better. You know, when first the customer is convinced that they want to go to some place, it becomes very easy for travel professionals to entertain that request and make that happen. We are, deeply grateful for your relentless effort in showcasing the essence of tourism, especially of India and as well as countries where Indians love to travel. Through your lens and your words, you have not only informed but also enriched the audience. They know before going what they should be expecting and what they want to see. Thank you for your support, and we wish this partnership, the GHP will be very happy to have a partnership kind of a terminology with press where we can support the press and press can support us.